Does iPhone not recognize contacts after changing country, or is it missing or not showing on iPhone? Hi there, this is Eva, and here is how you can solve iPhone does not recognize contacts after changing country. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1, toggle on contact from account. Open setting, tap Apple ID, tap iCloud, tap show all, find out contact. Toggle on this option. If these are already turned on, turn it off and turn it back on. If your contact is synced from a Google account or any other, then open setting again, scroll down, tap mail, tap account, tap your Google account, now enable contact. Also, if these are already turned on, turn them off and turn them back on. Solution 2, select the right location. Open setting, scroll down, tap general, tap language and region, tap region, select your preset country. Go back, tap date and time, make sure that your time is properly synced with your country. Solution 3, reset all setting. Go to setting, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap transfer or reset, tap reset all settings. Note that this will reset all your personalized settings to default values, so you must set them up again. After following all the processes, your contact should reappear on your iPhone. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.